What if I told you that some AI platforms are paying ordinary people, people with smartphones, people with laptops, people who know how to follow instructions? Some of these opportunities are available for people living right here in Nigeria and in other African countries. Before you get excited, there are two things you need to know. First, not every AI opportunity online is legit. And second, most people are looking in the wrong places. While most people are busy talking about the jobs AI is taking, very few people are talking about the opportunity AI is creating. AI cannot replace you entirely. Right now, companies building AI systems still need you to review response, verify information, label data, test output, and help improve the performance of these tools. In other words, AI still needs people, and this is creating an entirely new category of online opportunity that many job seekers are yet to discover. Before we continue, a quick disclaimer. Some of the platforms mentioned below may have assessment, waiting list, project availability, requirements, and country restrictions, meaning you might need VPN to access some. Acceptance is never guaranteed. Always do your own research. Review each platform carefully before applying. Now, here is the interesting part. A few years ago, many people have not heard about AI training jobs, and that's why today I'm showing you 7 platforms that has become popular among people looking for AI remote work opportunity in 2026. Some involves evaluating AI response, helping improve AI systems, research studies, and some involves data-related tasks that help train the next generation of AI. But here is what surprised me the most. One of the platforms on my list today have introduced thousands of people to remote work without requiring coding skills. And another platform is so beginner-friendly that almost anyone can understand how it works within minutes. So make sure to stay to the end because the last on my list might be the easiest for complete beginners. I have provided the links to all these platforms in the description box. So if getting one of these jobs is your target, check them out. Before watching this video, how many AI platforms do you know? Drop your answer in the comments. 7 AI platforms paying ordinary people in 2026. No experience required. Let's start with one of the hottest names in AI work right now, the Outlier AI. If you have spent any time searching for AI jobs recently, chances are you have seen this name. There's a reason why it's getting so much attention. Companies building advanced AI systems need people to evaluate response, identify mistakes, compare answers, and provide feedback. That's where platform like Outlier AI comes into the picture. Depending on your project, you may be asked to review AI response, rate answers, verify facts, solve problems, compare outputs, or provide feedback that helps improve AI models. Now, here's what many people get wrong. They assume AI is only for programmers. That's not always true. Many projects value strong communication skill, critical thinking, research ability, and attention to detail. The exact opportunity available can vary depending on your location, your qualification, and project demand. But if you are serious about exploring AI-related work, Outliers is one of the first platforms worthy of researching. Now, if you think that is impressive, wait until you hear about the company helping AI build behind the scenes. Second on my list is Scale AI. Before AI tools can become intelligent, they need data, lots of data. Most importantly, those data need to be reviewed, labeled, organized, and verified by humans. This is where Scale AI comes in. Many people use AI daily without knowing that company like Scale AI plays a major role by making these systems smarter. Depending on current opportunities, contributors may find projects involving data annotation, AI evaluation, content review, language-related tasks, quality assurance, and various forms of data verification. Scale AI has become one of the most recognized names in data AI industry, and because AI continues to grow rapidly, the need for high-quality data training is not disappearing anytime soon. But the next platform exists for a completely different reason. AI still makes mistakes, and company needs people to help catch them. The third on my list today is Micro One. Let's be honest, AI is impressive, but AI is far from perfect. Sometimes it gives wrong answers, sometimes it misunderstands concepts, and sometimes it produces information that sounds correct but it isn't. That's where platform like Micro One comes in. Depending on available projects, contributors may find opportunities related to AI evaluation, output testing, response review, performance improvement, and quality checks. Think about it this way. Anytime AI gets smarter, somebody helped to train it. Somebody reviewed the answers, somebody verified the accuracy. That's where opportunity like this exists. Now, the next platform focuses on something that people overlook. Fourth on my list is DataForce. When most people hear the word AI, they immediately think about chatbots. Behind every AI system is data, massive amounts of data. DataForce operates in this area. Depending on project availability, opportunities may include speech recording, data collection, image annotation, search evaluation, language tasks, and verification projects. The key requirement is usually not coding. It's the ability to follow instructions carefully and complete tasks accurately. If you're someone who enjoys structured work and attention to detail, this is definitely one platform worth investigating. Now, the next platform have introduced thousands of people around around the world to remote AI work. And chances are you have already heard of it. Number 5 on my list is Appen. Appen is one of the most recognized names in remote work industry. In fact, many people were introduced to AI related work through Appen. The reason is simple. Most projects don't require programming skills. Depending on available opportunities, you may find jobs involving search evaluation, audio recording, data collection, language task, AI improvement projects, and various forms of content reviews. This is important because many people still believe that AI is only for software developers. That isn't true. Many opportunities are designed for everyday people who can follow instructions accurately and complete tasks consistently. And that is exactly why Appen continues to attract interest of job seekers worldwide. But here is something many beginners don't realize. Relying on one platform can be risky. The sixth on my list is OneForma. One problem with AI-related jobs is that project comes and goes. A project available today might not be available next month. And that's why experienced remote workers often create accounts on different platforms. OneForma is one of those platforms worth adding to your list. Depending on project availability, you may find opportunities involving AI training, data collection, translation, search evaluation, language tasks, content review, and specialized projects. The more legitimate opportunities you have access to, the better your chances of finding work that suits your skills. Now we have finally reached the platform I promised you in the beginning. And if you are a complete beginner, this might be the easiest for you to understand. The seventh on my list is Prolific. You are not necessarily helping to train AI directly. Instead, you are participating in research studies, academic projects, user feedback sections, surveys, testing opportunities, and various research-related activities. Organizations and researchers need real people to give honest feedback and review. That's where Prolific comes in. You complete studies that match your profile, and you receive compensation for participation. It's straightforward, beginner-friendly, and it's easy to understand. And for many, it serves as an introduction to earning online through legitimate research opportunities, which is why I wanted to include it on the list today. Now, here's the mistake most people make after watching a video like this. They get excited, they open 10 browser tabs, they bookmark every website, they tell themselves they will apply tomorrow, then nothing happens. 6 months later, they are still searching for opportunities, watching videos online, saying they are doing research. Don't let that be you. You don't need to join all 7 platforms today. Pick one, just one. Create an account, complete your profile, learn how the platform works, take assessments if required, and build momentum. Remember, the biggest opportunity only goes to people who take action, not the people who collect information. AI is growing rapidly. Companies need evaluators, companies need reviewers, companies need researchers, companies need people who can provide them quality feedback. And while nobody can guarantee acceptance or earning in any of these platforms, the people who constantly apply for themselves will create more opportunity than people watching from the sideline. And before we end this video, here is a bonus platform that many people don't talk about. Consumer opportunity. Platform connect ordinary people with opportunity to participate in market research studies, product testing, consumer feedback programs, online surveys, research projects from company looking for real opinion from everyday people. The reason I decided to include this as a bonus is because not every online opportunities involve training AI directly. Sometimes companies simply need people to test products, share their experience, provide feedback that help business improve their services and make better decisions. The best part is you don't need coding skill and you don't need to have a degree. You simply need to follow instructions and complete tasks honestly and accurately. And now, just like every other platform we have mentioned today, opportunities may vary depending on your country, your profile, and the current opportunity available. So do your research, read the requirements carefully, and never assume acceptance is guaranteed. But if you're looking to diversify your online income opportunity beyond traditional AI training platforms, consumer opportunity is definitely worth checking out. I've also included the link in the description and comment section for anyone who wants to explore it further. Which of these platforms are you going to explore first? Outlier, Scale AI, Micro One, DataForce, OneForma, Appen, Prolific, or our bonus platform, Consumer Opportunity? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you found this video useful, share with someone looking for job opportunities across Africa. Subscribe to the Job Hunter because we bring you legitimate opportunities, practical career advice, and valuable resources to help you move forward.